One of the most useful things you can learn right now is how to tell when something was made by AI rather than a real person, because AI can now create convincing fake images, fake voices, and fake writing. And knowing the signs is genuinely how you protect yourself in everyday life. Let us go through it calmly and practically. Real things to look for. We will start with images. AI generated images have become very good, but they still tend to make certain mistakes if you look closely. Hands are the classic one. AI often struggles with fingers, sometimes producing too many, too few, or ones that bend strangely. Look at the small details in the background. Text on signs is often a giveaway, appearing as garbled nonsense letters that look like writing but spell nothing. Look at where things meet: jewellery blending into skin, glasses melting into a face, teeth that look slightly too uniform. And often there is a certain too perfect, slightly glossy quality to AI images, like everything is just a little too smooth. The simple habit is this: when an image seems designed to make you feel strong emotion, pause and look closely at the hands, the background text, and the small details. That pause is your protection. Now, voices. This is the one that matters most for your safety. AI can now clone a voice from just a small sample, enough to make it sound like someone you know. This is being used in scams, where someone receives a call that sounds like a family member in distress asking for money urgently. Here is your protection, and it is simple. If you ever receive an urgent call from someone you know asking for money or sensitive information, and something feels even slightly off, hang up and call that person back on their normal number. A real loved one will understand completely. Agree a family password with the people closest to you. A simple word that a real family member would know and a scammer never could. This one habit can protect you and the people you love from the most common AI scam there is. Now, text. AI written text often has a particular flavour once you learn to notice it. It tends to be very fluent but slightly generic. It often overuses certain phrases, sounds a little too balanced and polished, and rarely makes the small, specific, personal observations a real human naturally includes. It is grammatically perfect in a way that can feel oddly hollow. Here is the honest truth though. AI is improving quickly, and these signs will not always be reliable forever. So the deeper protection is not just spotting the signs, it is a calm habit of mind. When something arrives that is designed to make you feel urgent fear, sudden excitement, or strong emotion, pause. Verify through another channel. Slow down. Almost every AI-driven deception relies on you reacting fast and emotionally rather than slowly and calmly. That pause, that calm moment of checking, is the single most powerful protection you have, and you already have it. You just need to use it. We will keep learning how to stay safe and confident together. Subscribe and stay close. I will see you in the next one.